Hello students, welcome back to Smart Classes. I hope you all are doing really well. Most of you must be enjoying your summer holidays. A very happy summer vacation to all of you. Enjoy your holidays, but don't forget to study as well. What we can do is we can utilize this holiday in learning some new things. I know there must be some of you who face difficulty in writing or learning the tables. Most of you write tables either by adding or by multiplying concepts, which is really complicated and time-taking method. Tables up to 10 are quite easy, and I hope and all of you have memorized these tables. But there be some of you who face difficulty in writing or learning the tables from 12 to 20. Don't worry, my dear students. In our today's video, we are going to learn some table learning tricks. Before we start, I would like to remind you to subscribe our channel, like, comment down your views about the video, share the video and tap the bell icon also to stay updated with the contents of this channel. Without wasting any time, we'll start learning the table trick. What we need for this? Only basics. The basics, which is the table from 1 to 10. So get ready to learn this trick. Before starting this trick, I want to tell you that please pause this video for 1 minute. Go and grab your pen or paper or copy or whatever you need for trying this trick. Just go and grab it. You can also use this trick for tables up to 99. But in this video, we are going to discuss for the tables up to 20 only. We will start this trick with a table of 12. So write 12 first. The trick here is that we will write the table of 12, but we will recite the table of 2. It means we are going to recite the table of 2, but we will write the table of 12. Let's see how it can be done. Here, I have written 12. As we know that 2 ones are 2, we will write 2 here. And then how many times we are counting? 1 time. Because 2 ones are 2. We will write 1 just before this number 2. So we got 12. Now 2 twos are 4. So we will write 4. How many times we are counting? 2 times. So we'll write 2 just before the digit 4. Now 2 threes are 6. So we will write 6 first. How many times we are counting? 3 times. So we'll write 3. So we got 36. 2 fours are 8. So we will write 8 here. And how many times we are counting? 4 times. So 48. 2 fives are 10. Here comes the tricky part. So we will write 0 here. Then we are having 1 as a carry. Then how many times we counted? 5 times. 2 fives are 10. Okay. So we will add this 1 with 5 and it will become 60. 2 6 are 12. So we will write the 2 here. We will take 1 as carry. How many times did we count it? 6 times. 2 6 are 12. So we will write 6 and add 1. So it will become 72. Now 2 sevens are 14. So we will write 4 here. We will take the carry 1 and keep it aside. Now we counted it 7 times and 7 plus 1 is 8. So it became 84. 2 eights are 16. So we will write 6 here. We will take 1 carry. We'll keep it aside. How many times did we count it? 8 times. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So we will write it 9. It became 96. 2 nines are 18. we will write 8 here. Take the carry 1 and we counted it 9 times. We will add 1 with 9, it will become 10. So 108. 2 tens are 20. We will write 0 here. Now we are having 2 as our carry. We counted it 10 times. We will add now 2 with 10. So it will become 12. And here we got it as 120. Now you can see it. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 sixes are 72. 12 sevens are 84. 12 eights are 96. 12 nines are 108. And 12 tens are 120. So, we got the table of 12 just by reciting the table of 2. Isn't it very easy? Let's try it again with the table of 13. So, we will write 13 first. And we will recite the table of 3. Yes, correct. 3 ones are 3. So, we will write 3 first. And we counted it 1 time. So, we will write 1 before the digit 3. Now, 3 twos are 6. So we will write 6 and we counted it 2 times. We will write the digit 2 before the digit 6. 3 threes are 9. So we will write 9 here and then we counted it 3 times. So we will write 3. It became 39. 3 fours are 12. So we will write 2 here. We got 1 as the carryover. We counted it 4 times. 3 fours are 12. So we will add this 1 with 4 and it will become 5. Okay, so it became 52. 3 fives are 15. So we will write 5 here. We got the carry 1 and we counted it 5 times. So we will add 1 with 5 and it will become 6. So it will become 65. Now 3 6 are 18. So we will write 8 here. We got 1 as the carry and we counted it 6 times. So we will add 1 with 6 which will become 7 and we will get 78. 3 sevens are 21. So we will write 1 here. We got the carry as 2. We counted it 7 times. So 7 plus 2 is 9 and it will become 91. 3 eights are 24. We will write 4 here. We got the carry as 2 and we counted it 8 times. 8 plus 2 is 10. So it will become 104. Then 3 nines are 27. So we will write 7 here. We will write the carry over. We counted it 9 times. So 9 plus 2 is 11 and it will become 117. 3 tens are 30. So we will write 0 here. We will get the carry as 3. We counted it 10 times. We will add 3 with 10 and it will become 13 and we will get 130. Let's try this trick with the table of 14. Remember, we are going to recite the table of 4 and we are going to write the table of 14. So, 4 ones are 4. We counted it how many times? 1 time. So, we got 14. 4 twos are 8. We will write 8 and we counted it 2 times. So, we will write 2. 4 threes are 12. So, we will write 2 here. We got the carry as 1. We counted it 3 times. So we will add our carry with 3 and it will become 4. And we got the number as 42. 4 fours are 16. We will write 6 here. We got the carry as 1. We counted it 4 times. So we will add 1 with 4 and it will become 5 and we will get 56. 4 fives are 20. We will write 0 here. We got the carry as 2. We counted it 5 times. 5 plus 2 is 7. So we'll write 70 here. Now 4 6 are 24. So we will write 4 here. We got 2 as our carry and we counted it 6 times. 6 plus 2 is 8. We'll write 8 here and we got 84. 4 sevens are 28. We will write 8 here. We got the carry as 2 and we counted it 7 times. So 7 plus 2 is 9. So we'll write here 9 and it will become 98. 4 8s are 32. So we will write 2 here. We got the carry as 3 and we counted it 8 times. So 8 plus 3 is 11. And we'll write 11 just before the digit 2 and it will become 112. Now 4 9s are 36. We will write 6 here. We'll get the carry as 3. We counted it 9 times. 9 plus 3 is 12 and we'll get this as 126. Now 4 10s are 40. So we will write 0 here. We got the carry as 4. We counted it 10 times. So 10 plus 4 is 14 and we got it as 140. Here we complete the table of 14 as well. I hope you all are enjoying this trick. Isn't it easy as well? I would like to remind to those who haven't bought the copy and pen yet, please bring it down and try to do it by yourself also. If you don't want to bring the copies, you can keep pausing the video and you can do these calculations in your mind itself. If you will try it, you will be able to do it. If you will practice this trick few times, I bet you can do all these calculations in your mind itself and it's gonna be there forever. Let's try to do this trick with 15 also. So 5 ones are 5. We will write 5 here. We counted it 1 time. Okay. So we'll write 1 before the digit 5. 5 2s are 10. So we will write 0 here. We got the carry as 1. We counted it 2 times. So 2 plus 1 is 3. We got 30. Now 5 3s are 15. We will write 5 here. We got the carry as 1. We counted it 3 times. 3 plus 1 is 4. 45. 5 4s are 20. We will write 0. We got the carry as 2. We counted it 4 times. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And we got 60. 5 5s are 25. We will write 5 here. We got the carry 2. We counted it 5 times. 5 plus 2 is 7. So here is 75. 5 6 are 30. We will write 0 here. We got the carry 3 and we counted it 6 times. So 6 plus 3 is 9. We got 90. 5 7s are 35. We will write 5 here. We got the carry 3 and we counted it 7 times. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we will write 10 before the digit 5 and it will become 105. Now 5 8s are 40. We will write 0 here. We got the carry 4. We counted it 8 times. 8 plus 4 is 12. So we will write 12 just before 0 and it will become 120. 5 9s are 45. We will write 5 here. We got the carry as 4 and we counted it 9 times. 9 plus 4 is 13 and we will write 3 here. It will become 135. 5 10s are 50. We will write 0 here. We got the carry as 5. We counted it 10 times. 10 plus 5 is 15. We will write 15 before the digit 0 and it will become 150. And here we have completed the table of 15 as well. We can cross check it also. 15 ones are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90, 15 7s are 105, 15 8s are 120, 15 9s are 135 and 15 10s are 150. I would like to stop this video here only. In this video we have tried the tables up to 15. I hope whatever I have taught you so far you must have understood. Rest of the tables we'll do in our next video, as this video is becoming longer. Don't forget to like, share and comment your views about this video. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe it. Take care, study well and keep practicing. See you in the next video. Bye.